My name is Barry Anderson Seeley and I am 49 years young. I did electrical installation at the Barbados Polytechnic through the Barbados Construction Gateway program. I chose to enroll in the bcgti because I wanted to do the installation course for quite some time, and a guy shared some information with me that they were doing the program, and he sent me the contacts and I registered online. I enjoyed the camaraderie with some of the fellow students, and the fact that we learn a bit more than what we thought we knew, understanding electrical installation. I think it prepared me pretty well. Mr. Hines, he took the time out to make sure that even those who didn't fully understood before they did the practicals and theory exams. My job attachment experience was good actually. I did it with Marlon's Electrical, and he also took the time out to make sure he explained, give us a chance to be a part of the work and not just having us standing there and pointing and saying you can ask a question. We actually took some challenges installing and getting to understand, other materials that will be a part of the electrical installation. Coming up with that experience, feeling good to be a part of the program, also saying that, at my age, it wasn't too late to still be enrolled and having that chance to be a part of the electrical installation field. At first, when they got introduced to the program, always going through my mind that I'm going to be around a lot of young people, and they can be the oldest guy there. But when they got there, I saw there were people around my age who also, and we took time out to be there for each other. I was elected as class rep, so I had to take a lot of time out to make sure I didn't leave anybody behind. My next steps after the program is to do another course, and especially with the NTI, I want to do some more online courses as well. It is a wonderful program. Opportunity it offers also to people of many ages, and for those who probably wanted to do and didn't know how to make that step to get into any course for that matter. What advice would I give to someone willing to join? Take it seriously. Know that there are some people that don't know where to turn to do such programs, and if you get that opportunity to go forward and do it with the best of your ability, stay focused and make that time.